The week has started on a positive note, but where do we go from here on? Let's try and decode that with Mr. Gaurav Bissa. He's joining us from Incred Equities. Gaurav, what's your strategy at this point of time? Continue to buy the Nifty. Are we heading towards that 1887 mark, making a fresh high?
Good afternoon. Well, the structure looks like it can go towards the of fresh lifetime high, probably 19,000 in the month of June. With all the data floating around, we are still sustaining above the swing high levels of 18,500 and comfortably above that. For a time being, we may see a range bound mode where we have a very strong support at 18,450. We have a hurdle at 18,700. But eventually, I think with the kind of formation that we are seeing on the lower time frame charts as well, Nifty is likely to head towards the level of 19,000 in the month of June.
Okay, so that's the take coming in on Nifty, but what do you make of the momentum that we are seeing in the auto pack? Of course, Nifty Auto has been scaling fresh highs on an everyday basis, but look at an M&M today, 4% higher, Tata Motors sitting at 52-week high.
Well, Nifty Auto was part or rather has been part of our weekly reports for a while now. It gave a very strong breakout. It is of a multi-year cup and handle pattern breakout. It then witnessed a 7-8 months of consolidation. Again, it gave a breakout. So in all likelihood, declines towards probably 3 or 4% lower also will make it more lucrative. So if you look at large cap names like Tata Motors, like you said, it's near the fresh lifetime high. It's above comfortably above the previous swing high level. So if it sustains 540, 550, it can go towards 575, 580 quite easily. That can give a push. There's a very strong breakout on Maruti, probably one of the best setups out there for the large cap stock. And once it gives a close about 9,750, 9,800, one can expect 10 to 15% upside. It can also give a strong push to Nifty Auto. So things are looking good. Not just auto, even auto ancillaries are doing quite well. And we have been bullish in many of these names. And I continue to remain positive on Nifty Auto. Any decline in this index can result in fresh buying opportunities.
Those were the top names coming in as far as the auto space is concerned. But overall, what are the top stock recommendations, Gaurav?
The first one would be buy on Titan, where we have seen stock coming out of consolidation. There's a weekly breakout we have seen with volume participation happening, fresh swing high. It's been in the uptrend for a while now. So it makes a good case to buy for target price of 3,000, keeping the stop loss at 2,750. Second recommendation would be buy on Lupin. We have seen selectively pharma stocks doing quite well. If you look at Lupin for one on daily and weekly charts, the stock is coming out of a consolidation and a very strong breakout has been seen on weekly charts. There's a follow through buying happening on daily and hourly charts as well. So in all likelihood, it can head towards the level of 870, 880. One can buy Lupin for target price of 870, keeping the stop loss at 780.
Lupin, two large cap names that Gaurav likes at this point of time. On that note, we let you go. Thank you so much for joining it.